Hello everybody and welcome to a 5-minute Arduino tutorial. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to use a servo with an Arduino Uno. So all you're going to need is you're going to have to make sure you have the Arduino software on your computer. You need a USB port to do that, and you can actually program directly onto this via the port here. You should get the USB lead with the Arduino. If you didn't, then you can get them online. I've actually forgotten the name of the cable for this. It might be a serial cable or something like that. Again, I'm going to put all the links to like loads of eBay stuff in the description below if you don't have any of this stuff, and that way you can get hold of it easy. Now it's very simple to set this up and to actually get this working, because the Arduino software already has a program ready to go, just so you can test the servo and make it spin around. So you'll see here that we have three outputs. So we have a ground, which is the black cable, we have a power, and then we have the well, this one that I know that you use, and that's where it gets its signal from. That's the signal port, I'm just going to say. I don't know the technical names, I've just programmed these. So if you put your ground cable into there, so you're going to need these three jumper cables. You put your power cable into here, like so, and then you put your signal cable to there. So now what you're going to want to do with these is on the bottom side, or the bottom half of your Arduino board, you'll see there is a 3.3 volt, a 5 volt and a ground. You want to put the red cable into the 5 volt, you want to put the black cable into the ground port, and no, you're not putting the white port into 3.3 volt because this needs to get a signal. So put this into port 1. That's port 2, isn't it? No, that's port 1. So put that into port 1, and that's then ready to go. And if we go into the software, we can set this up and then come back. Okay, so once you have your Arduino software open on your computer and you have your Arduino plugged into a USB port that you have available, you want to go to File, Examples, Servo, and then Sweep. So this is what will come with the software. So you have a program already set up and ready to go that will use a servo in the... Oh, actually, this is actually in slot 9, but we can change this here. So this is one of the 14 ports that are on one of the sides of the Arduino Uno. We change that to port 1 because that's where we've put the servo. You may have to say this is something else. Let's call this servo project. And there we go. That's our thing. So we want to change that to number 1. So we're using that. So what this is going to do, it's going to make the servo spin to 180 degrees, which is what most of them is their maximum. It's going to go all the way back to 0 again. And that's it. Basically, there you go. It tells you what it does here. So this is just a for loop, so it's going to keep going, and it's going to keep delaying by 15 milliseconds. It's going to keep going up and up and up and up until it gets to the right value, and then it's going to go back again. It's just going to loop until you unplug it or add something that tells it to stop, like a button or something, which I'll do in another tutorial later on. So what we're going to do now is just upload that to the board, and down here you'll see that it's just putting everything on, and then it's going to hopefully be done. If I drag this up, oh no, maybe not. Yeah, if I drag this up here, it is done. Okay, so now if it's not gone onto your Arduino board, your port and the board set up so it's the right one. This is detected that I've got an Arduino Uno set into COM3. Sometimes it automatically be in COM1, so just make sure it's not and it's on your right port. And now you can go back to your Arduino and see what it's done. Okay, so now that's set up, you can take, well, you would have already had this plugged in, but make sure your USB cable is plugged in like so, and you can see here, it should be spinning like this. If it's not spinning like this, then you may have not followed the tutorial fully, or this servo may have an issue, or your board may have an issue, or the code just isn't uploading to your board correctly. So you just make sure you troubleshoot all that, and hopefully your end product should be something like this. This is going to keep spinning until you turn it off. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's not been the best, I know. I mean, I need to work out all the camera angles and stuff for this. I will probably I have another camera that I can set up to probably put it somewhere here or something, I don't know. So that's the first tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see some more. I should be hopefully doing a tutorial on how to set up multiple servos. LEDs and stuff like that. As I know, this is probably like the cheapest thing to sort of start with, I guess, is LEDs, and this is sort of slightly more expensive to do because these cost a little bit. But yeah, so if you enjoyed the tutorial, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know what you want to see next time, and also any suggestions on how you want me to lay these videos out and sort of what you want me to talk about, as I'm not the best at sort of coming up with ideas to do these little things, I just get it done. So yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.